Okay guys, let's see. Excited about this new game. Standard stuff so far. I played this Scotch Gambit. It's pretty good, I would recommend it. Because it's pretty aggressive and your opponent in most cases doesn't know how to deal with it, so do I want to go for this right away or just castle? Probably. I'm not sure what's the best move here. I feel like maybe this one and then this, but then he's going here something, I don't know. Let's just castle. I feel like this is a good answer to this Scotch Gambit, but not the best, probably not the best. Okay, so he's trying to go for this. Maybe I should stop that or play this. Let me play this instead. And then maybe go for something like this. Okay, maybe I can do this right away. No, probably not. Maybe I can do this right away. Maybe this wasn't the best move, but let's see. Let's go here. His king is still in the center. It's probably gonna go here, so I have to then move my bishop, because this guy is protecting the bishop. So where do I move the bishop? Probably here to support this push. Okay, let's do that. Okay, opposite side castling. So probably just protect my knight here and then go for this standard pushing the pawns. Okay, I'm not sure why that was necessary to play by him. Okay, I guess he wants a quick attack, but here I think I'm just gonna take here, remove this. Probably he's gonna play this. Oh, I don't like that move by him. So he doesn't have a lot of pieces here protecting his queen, his king. Maybe better was to go here. Okay, he's protecting this pawn. Sensible. Maybe I can go here, and then he goes here. How to proceed here with the attack? Something like this, or just go and push the pawns. Maybe I can do this. And after this move he cannot play that, because I take and take the rook. So now I'm threatening this. He can block by this, but then his king is gonna be really open here. I'm gonna go for a checkmate. So I guess you missed it. Okay, that's I think a nice move, because on this he's gonna go here, but maybe I can play this move now. Okay. Restrict his pieces even more. And maybe just continue pushing his pawns. Okay. Takes and then takes. And his king is going to be pretty open. Or I can just take here. I'm not sure what's better. Yeah, why not win a pawn? I guess win a pawn. I should not spend too much time. Also, it's not doesn't feel really good to lose in time, but okay. Maybe I can put more pressure on this pawn, like this. Okay. Now, I guess I just move my queen and remain on this diagonal. Or there is something better. Maybe I can attack his rook here. That seems better. He can attack me here. Then, yeah, then I'm gonna lose this bishop, so that's not good. Let's just remain on this diagonal and continue threatening this kind of things. Okay, now probably just this move. Maybe I can even play, no. Then he's gonna jump here. Yeah, let me go for this. This is, I guess, the only move. What? Am I missing something? No. Okay, let's go back and see some mistakes that he made, and maybe I made also. To learn from this game, always analyze a little bit your game, so you don't repeat the same mistakes. So this is standard. So this is not the best move by him, but I feel like I'm not answering the best. Okay, maybe I am. So here better was c3. I mentioned that move before, but I felt like he's gonna play this, but then computer is saying b3, queen b3. Okay, that's interesting. I'm not a computer, but I guess I should remember that for the next time. Okay, so this is not bad either. Computer is saying e5 right away. That seems good, because let's say if he takes, no, I take and then attack the queen. Okay, who would have thought that e5 was really not good? Okay, that was, so this is the first mistake, trading your pieces without any good reason, especially trading a bishop for the knight, because bishop is a little bit better in the knight in the most positions. I guess he just wanted to push this and then Maybe he thought his bishop is going to get into the way. Okay, and now the second mistake better was, yeah, knight e5. Just to keep that knight, keep more pieces to protect the king, because after you, this knight is really good protector of your king, and then you trade it, and then you have no pieces to protect your king. So then that's a problem. Okay, computer is saying bishop e3 right away, but I was wondering what about this. Yeah, we can go here, but I didn't like it. I mean, yeah, I can play b4 next move, but okay. I thought I was smart by playing b4. Okay, he tries to get his knight into the game. I don't allow it. First mistake, so this is classic. Always look for pinned pieces. Oh, computer is saying this move. This is even better, because he cannot take. It's a checkmate. And then he forgot about his king, which is unfortunate. I said that this was the only move, but there is few moves. What am I talking about? This is, I guess, the best. This is also possible, but not that good. So on this, I would probably just push, yeah, f4, and then grab that pawn. That would be it, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe or like or whatever. See ya.